Hey guys, most of you guys have a soundboard. As a sound engineer, sometimes I try to go places where either the room is cold or the room is hot. But when you go to a place where the room is kind of warm and you have a small or bigger soundboard that tend to overheat, how do you solve the problem? Today is the day I'm gonna show you how to solve the problem of having overheating your Allen Heat CQ-18T. And it's very simple, guys. The way I tend to do it is basically give me a small fan, right? But let me just show you how this soundboard here, sometimes it tends to overheat, right? I don't know about you guys, but this soundboard here, most of the time, if there's no small fan next to it, it's gonna get really overheat. And just today we're gonna go and try to solve that problem, so that way, you don't get around and asking the question, how can I solve this problem, or how can I do this problem? But let's go back and see right here, Allen Heath, right? How to solve this problem. So let me see if I can show it to my camera here. I can show you this small fan. A second. I'm gonna go and basically show you right here. Give me a second. There is a fan that you might be able to see. It's a very small fan. Here, right here. Here we go. Right. This is a small fan that I use for my soundboard. As you can see, my soundboard is here, right? This is it right here. But now look how everything, as you can see, this small fan, it's $7 on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can see it. And it's very cheap. It might be probably $7 or $9, but this is what I normally use right here. This small fan I'll take with me everywhere. You can see another small fan here, just in case if you want to know how to use all this small fan. This is very handy if you can carry this with you. You can hang this somewhere. You can see it right here. You can stand it, you can hang it, you can rotate it 180, and it's very small fan. So I hope you guys solve your problem of overheating, so you can be able to basically know what to do next time when something is overheat. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Hey, please can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? I've tried my best to help you guys to solve the problem that you guys are facing. Please just subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell notification. And I hope to see you again soon. And do not forget to like and share this video. And thank you so much for joining me. And I hope to see you again soon. I got a lot of videos coming in. Thank you so much. Bye.